good afternoon. This is Matthew Hofmann with another episode of Airstream Planet's Do-It-Yourself Airstream. So today we have a Airstream 310 motorhome, and in the gray water tank it has a large, about a foot and 4-inch, 16-inch crack running right down the bottom of it. So you got a couple options here. You can either replace the tank. You know, a lot of folks will try and seal it with glue, which never works. There's just no way to get around it. So a lot of these tanks are made from different materials, ABS, a type of plastic, it could be a polyurethane. When you repair a tank, my recommended repair job is you take the same material from another tank or the original manufacturer, and you go in, cut out just beyond the crack, and you actually weld a new piece onto the face of the tank itself. This is for larger cracks. And this tank is located right here. And what I've already done is I've taken out a piece of, this is a template that I've used to create of the length of the crack. I actually drew the crack right down the center like this. So it's shaped like this. I've got about an inch to either side. And then I'm going to go out and cut this out of another tank. Okay, so now here we are. This is another polyurethane tank, same material as the tank that's on there. We're big on saving old tanks because of this exact reason. So this is the template that I cut out, and now I'm going to go in and just trace out this template into this new tank, and then I can go in and just cut this directly out of the tank. Okay, so there we are. That's our new section that we're going to use to repair the tank, and we'll take this back to the tank. Okay, so now here I'm underneath the motorhome. I've got the tank right here in front of me. This is my part that I'm going to use to repair it. And what I'm going to do here, I have my propane fuel cylinder with the burner right on top, and I'm going to light this, and as I heat up this piece here, I'm also going to heat up the adjacent tank right in front of it. And as I move along, heating up both of them equally, I'm actually going to adhere this, weld it, not even adhere, it's actually a process of plastic welding. I'm going to weld this right onto the existing tank, and that'll not only bring the two pieces of the crack together, but create a nice rigid structure over it to bond and span that gap. Okay, so now I've spent quite a bit of time welding this piece on here, and I'm just finishing up now, coming around all the last corners where these two pieces meet. And you want to make sure that there's a nice amount of kind of this softening effect where you almost liquefy the plastic and you get them to both weld together. So now this is actually complete, so you can come in here underneath and see it. This is a rigid, you know, very successful patch job. This is the shape of the original crack, and this will bond the tank together and create a very nice fix. Thanks for watching.